Welcome everybody. Welcome. In today's market outlook, I will show you what exactly you're looking at for this week and how you can make money, a lot of money for yourself for this week. Of course, as you all know, that every market outlook have always been amazing. Last week one was crazy. We dropped about six trade last week, and everything went accordingly, crazy and massively. Please, you can go into the video at the top here right now to see the result of what we dropped last week and how it went to our direction according to how it obeys our bias. Of course, this has market has already been doing such. Of course, so it's not something we can begin to reiterate or something we can begin to talk about, because those who know that every market outlook like this are always amazing. Of course, you should always not miss it. So for this week, let me quickly show you my sixth trade or 6 to 7 trade I'm looking for this week, so that everybody can make money for this week. So the number one for this trade is sell. I'm looking for a mass sell on Euro card. A mass sell on Euro card. You can see it breaks away this, and we tested under back to this our what area of concentration. I'm looking for a mass sell on this market. Mass sell on this market. Aside from that, let me show you as well. Provided that what market gives me what an entering signal confirmation candle before we enter, it must have give us a change of structures, give us a change of formation that I want to sell, not that I'm prolonging my long, my short, my buying. So all those things must be there before we enter. That is number one. Do not forget also as well. I have to tell you guys, the market speaks a language. Every candlestick speaks a language. You must be able to understand and interpret such candlestick languages. So until you speak that language, that's when I'll be able to enter. If it doesn't, I will not. I'm looking for a buy. This is a mad buy, guys. A mad and crazy buy. A mad and crazy buy on CHF JPY. A mad and crazy. I'll be waiting for the market to come back to this point, come back here, then give me an engulfing or something for confirmation before we enter. However, market can keep doing bam, bam, bam before I even do that. It can take a while. But I'm expecting any of this market should mature by London section or New York. New York. Mass New York. Am I talking to somebody? So don't miss it. It's about 1 to 8 risk reward ratio. 1 to 10 or risk each word. This is 1 to 10. 1 to 5 rather. This is about 1 to 5. Yeah. So some of them I want to 5, some of them I want to 6, some to 8. So it's crazy, guys. Aside from this, I'll be looking at for Euro USD. This is one of my preference so much. I also love this setup a lot. All of them are so good as a matter of fact. I love all of them. They are so sweet and so good. Please, I'm begging you guys, do not miss any of this setup. They are going to be doing accordingly. Accordingly, guys. As you all know, what we do provide here and what we do here, they are legit. They are crazy accurate. Our market outlook has only been accurate, of course, due to the feedback we get from our people, thanking us for the opportunity to be able to. Can you see this one? This is one of my best and sweetest among them all. I love this so much. However, market might still push you and come here to come and sell, but I expect what you do a reaction around this point. I'm willing to sell at this point because of what market breaks away this point, and we tested under it. Whether we are below, we are selling. Whether we are above, we are buying. Can you see that this is what the resistance, this is what support, and it's coming back to do another resistance. So I'm setting what a reaction to this market. So this is one of the preference EURUSD. I love this so much because of the good setup it's giving us. Very sweet setup. Can you see? So this is number three for me for this week. Let me go to number four, guys. As well, EURNZD. This is my number four. You can see we have an head here, we have a shoulder here, we have a shoulder here, we have a shoulder here. We're doing another shoulder here. Definitely, it should sell. And imagine that, of course, I should tell my students, our students, that uh, our students, that of course we can only have one head and 4 to 3 or 2 shoulders. It doesn't matter, it's still valid, okay? It's still much valid. You can have one head. For the fact that you have one head, it's still much valid. So we have just one head here, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. The market comes here to shoulder and give us an entry confirmation candlesticks. Not something, guys. It's not about market coming to your entry point or coming to your area of interest, area of concentration, as I call it, area of attention. Apart from coming there, market can still come there and still push up. It must come there and give you confirmation for reversal. A reversal pattern must show up before you enter. That's why many of you guys lose trade a lot and don't even have entering strategy. Some of you guys know some things about the market, but you don't have entry strategies. Entry strategy is just about waiting for your setup, waiting for what we call entry signal candle confirmation. We have all of this in a template. You can request for it on this comment section so that our team can send it to your email. just type it that we need what? Please can you kindly give me what? The entry signal confirmation. So our support can send it to your email. It's free actually, it's free, okay? Also, if you're just joining us for the very first time, I want to urge you, please and please subscribe to this channel so you can learn much more and gain more value from us. So I'm looking for a sell on EURNZD. At the same time as well, we also have a family on what? On Telegram. We have a family on Telegram where we can be part of us and enjoy some of our trainings for free and some of our PEX educations and lots more. But more importantly, we used to drop signals on our Telegram group. We used to drop massive and amazing signals every blessed day. As a matter of fact, we dropped about 20 signals, 21 signals last week, and we milk 20. We lost just one. Can you imagine that? We lost just one. So that is for that. So I'm looking for sell on what? Euro card, USD, USD sell. That's two. Looking for buy on CHF JPY 3. Looking for looking for sell on Euro NZD. Let me go there. Looking for sell on Euro NZD. That is 4. And I'm looking for buy on NZDJPY. That is 5. Let me show you guys. I'm looking for a good buy on this trade here. Look, a good buy. I'll show you why I'll be buying it. I'll show you why I'll be longing, and I'll be showing you what I saw. Let me show you what is printing out. Let me show you guys. So I'm looking for a buy on NZDJPY. This is a good setup. I'm super excited and super because of what I'm seeing. You know, when you come to the market and you're seeing something, you just be, oh my god, these are trades I have traded before. I've given him money. In fact, this week I'm funding. I'm funding a small account, probably $500 or $20, so I can flip. I'm funding. I know for I'm funding, man, because I'm super excited to see some of this setup. They are sweet and crazy setup. I can't just wait for market to open so we can trade them. I'm super excited for it, man. You can see here, I'll be waiting for you buy at this point. You can see here, wherever you're up, you're buying, wherever you're down, you're selling. You can see, guys. You can see, guys, you're selling. And this zone, this is my cycle level. This cycle level here is what? Is an area of concentration. Very strong area of concentration for me. Can you see? Very strong for me. So I'll be looking for a buy because the market just broke in here to break this lowest low here. Then it should be test, then come back. So I'm looking for a buy here. Though it's a counter trend, but it's a sweet counter trend market, and then it will now be longing, waiting for it to sell at this point again. So that is 5. And the last one, but not the I think that's just the 5 I'll be looking at. Okay, the last one is I think Euro AUD. Yes, that's the last one. The sixth one. No, mind I told you 6. Aha, this is it. The sixth one is what? Euro this place. Bonds, touch my trend line, touch my trend line, just touch my trend line again. Just like Euro card. Can you see, guys? This place is what? The head, shoulder. I'm waiting for the break from that shoulder here. They sell. Whenever the market comes back to here, it's selling. Then you can see sell. So then I'm waiting for it to come back here and give me what? Entries in if I can push and not stop here and come back here, you will miss out. That's why some people don't get our signals accurate. Because I said if you come back here and I'll shoot you, just have to come back here and yet market does not even show you any confirmation for reversal. You are entering. Market just take away your stop loss. That's why some people lose a lot. We don't trade like that. So I will urge you to join our community so you can receive guidance on some of this stuff. Okay. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned one or two things today. And please do not forget to trade any of this trade. They are crazy and crazy setup. I bet you guys will make a lot of money. Bastard and crazy money. Thank you for joining me, everybody, and have a wonderful week. I wish you a profitable week ahead, and peace out, guys. Enjoy the week, guys. Peace out.